Hey you guys, it's me, Ashley, and it's another Mask Mania, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be battling my Dr. BRANDT MAGNETIGHT Age-Defier, which is a magnetic mask. I have done a video review kind of test on this product before. It was a long time ago, and my quality was probably not that great. But it will be linked up here anyway, so if you guys want to check that out, go right on ahead. But we're going to be battling against the one, the only, the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Recharging Magnetic Mask. I'm going to do one half of my face with this and one half of my face with this, and we're going to see which one's better, or if they're the same, or if they even compare in any way. So if you guys want to see me do that, then just keep watching. Okay, so first we're going to open up the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. It is $25 and I found it at Target. They're really revamping their brand, or at least it seems that way. They're coming out with a lot of new stuff and a lot of really cool stuff. On the back it says that this combative mask is formulated with powerful magnetic properties and key antioxidants: carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and argan oil to replenish your skin and help protect against everyday environmental aggressors. The magnetic tool and iron-based formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities and minimize the appearance of pores. Skin is left feeling soft and recharged for a smooth, makeup-ready canvas. With the scoop side of the magnet tool, apply mask to a clean, dry face, avoiding eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover the head of the magnetic tool in one of the included magnet covers for mess-free mask removal. That's really awesome because the Dr. BRANDT one didn't come with anything like that. It did come with this little triangle mask, but it tells you to use your own like paper towel or whatever to clean it off with. So it's cool that the e.l.f. one comes with something to cover the magnet with. Okay, so it's packaged in this little thing. The little jar looks like this. It's glass or acrylic. It's really heavy and it feels really nice. This is the little magnet, and then I guess this side is the scooping tool or whatever. And here are the little magnet covers. That's really cool. Big ups to e.l.f. for including that. Okay, so I'm going to put on my handy dandy headband. The directions on the Dr. BRANDT mask say, spread a thin layer over clean face with spatula. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes. Wrap magnet with tissue and glide over your face. Massage the remaining product. Use twice per week. I'm going to use the same little e.l.f. tool on both sides because the Dr. BRANDT mask didn't come with anything like that. I'm going to start with the e.l.f. mask. Open it up. It's got the little like high-end little seal thing. It's super cute. It's like a little leaf. I like that detail. This is what they both look like. So the Dr. BRANDT mask has a sweet, fruity scent to it, and the e.l.f. mask, I don't really smell any type of scent, honestly, so they look similar though. Yeah, they look really similar. This is the e.l.f. mask, and this is the Dr. BRANDT mask. And they also feel really similar, so that's good. That's really crazy. Who would have thought that such a high price difference and they look and feel exactly the same? I kind of want to use my fingers just because I feel like I have a little bit more control that way, but I'm going to start with the scoop just to kind of see how that works. I am, like I said, starting with the e.l.f. mask. The e.l.f. mask is going to go on my right side. So let me grab this mirror. It's really smooth feeling. Okay, so it's kind of difficult with this tool to get it around the crevices of my nose and up here. Okay, so I cleaned off the little tool and now I'm going to scoop some out of the Dr. BRANDT mask. The MAGNETIGHT Age-Defier. Okay, so just want to let you guys know that the e.l.f. side is starting to burn a bit. Like, not unbearable, but it's definitely starting to burn. So the time is now 1:06 p.m. and it says 5 to 10 minutes, depending upon how much more intense this burning gets. It may be closer to 5 because the e.l.f. side, My right side is definitely burning. Almost unbearably burning. So far, I'm not noticing any burning on the left side of my face, which is the MAGNETIGHT by Dr. Brandt. Okay, so on Sephora, the MAGNETIGHT mask by Dr. Brandt is $75, and the e.l.f. one is $24. So there is a really big price gap there. I mean, it's about a little, it's a third, actually. Let me do math. I suck at math. It is a third of the price. It's starting to not burn as bad anymore on the e.l.f. side, so that's good. My Dr. Brandt side has not burned at all. Like, it's actually really soothing feeling. It's been about 5 minutes now, so since it's not so bad right now, I am going to let it go ahead and finish out the 10 minutes unless something crazy happens and it gets worse. Hopefully not. Hopefully we're good to go. But I am pretty excited to use this tool. I'm going to just do like a little test of the product and see if we can get anything on this little magnet tool here. So we have this much. Is it better over here? Over here. On my finger. And I have the little magnet tool. We're going to get closer. Oh my god, it grew. Okay, let's see. Oh, watch. See the little point? It's going down. It's coming back up. Oh god, it's excited. That's so funny. Like, I can legit feel this coming off my finger. Oh, and there it went. That's crazy. I feel like a magician, you know, like, oh. That's really crazy, actually. Okay, enough playtime. It is now 1:15, so it's been 9 minutes. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to use these little covers that the e.l.f. mask came with. It looks like it came with a few. One con to these magnetic masks is that they're super messy. Like, I feel like I'm covered in the magnet. You know what I'm saying? This is the e.l.f. side. You see that? Like, I'm not touching it to my face at all. You guys can see. It feels so weird. Almost like a tickly feeling. Can you see the little mountains that it's creating? Try to give you guys a close-up of this. If I were to rub it on my face, like actually touching my face, it doesn't really leave anything behind. But I like the way it feels to kind of hold it out from my face a little bit, because the way it feels when it comes off is really crazy. It has the oily feeling like the Dr. Brandt mask does. My face doesn't feel like traumatized or anything, so that's good. Oh, look, it made a little smiley. I'm gonna go ahead and use this tool to do the same thing on the Dr. Brandt side. I just feel like this one's easier to hold, and it seems to pick up more product than the little triangle one does. So far the Dr. Brandt side comes off way easier than the e.l.f. side. The Dr. Brandt side actually feels a little more oily than the e.l.f. side, so something to consider. I don't know if it's because the bag has been used quite a bit, or if the magnet might be losing some power, or if what's left on my face isn't very magnetized, but it's not wanting to pick up those last little bits, which is strange. So I'm just gonna do as the directions say. Final thoughts, you guys. Honestly, as far as the way they feel to the touch, both sides feel the same. The e.l.f. side burned a lot during the process. Like, obviously not to the point where I felt like I needed to pull the mask off, but definitely uncomfortable. The Dr. Brandt side of my face is a lot more, like a lot smoother. My pores do look tighter on this side than they do on the e.l.f. side. It's not like incredibly noticeable, but they definitely are tighter on this side than on the e.l.f. side. So something to consider. All in all, I don't feel like there's a big enough difference to justify the $75 price tag when you can get the exact same mask pretty much for $24, like a third of the price. The whole experience is basically the same, minus the burning. But as far as like the pulling the magnetized mask off with the magnet and all that, that's basically the exact same. Like, it felt no different. The product consistency feels no different. It went on just as smooth. The Dr. Brandt side did come off a little easier, but honestly, for a millisecond more time, are you going to spend 3 times the price? Up to you. Would I recommend the e.l.f. one? Honestly, I feel like it's more of a novelty thing. You can like get the same amount of skincare with a much cheaper sheet mask, or even, you know, one that you put on and then wash off, or anything. I don't think either of them are really worth the price. They're fun to do. It's all exciting, pretty cool experience. It makes a cool picture, but I don't think that it does enough for my face to justify the price and the mess. Like, it's definitely messy, you guys. And I hope this comes out, but I feel like I now have magnet mask all over me, which is not fun. So yeah, what do you guys think? Have you tried the e.l.f. magnet mask? Have you tried the Dr. Brandt magnet mask? Which one do you like more? If you've tried them both, do you think they're worth it? Because I really just don't think so. But if you want to try it, go ahead and try it. Just have fun with it. YOLO. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I would highly appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. They will all be linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel with your notifications on so you don't miss anything from me in the future. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.